turbos are crazy, bro. Stock turbos go crazy. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. What was that, an RS3, I think? So man, so today I'm doing another little POV drive. I'm about to go through this like little reservation up in like the mountain. Nothing too crazy, just a little POV drive. Hope y'all enjoy. Got some little burble action going. I'm thinking of putting one of these mics in the engine bay, but I don't know how it's gonna sound. I might try it. Might low-key try it. Here we go. It's a little reservation up here. She sound crazy. Yo, stay on your side of the road, my nigga. Fuck. Bro, it's all the way, all the way over here. But if y'all enjoy the content, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, it helps me out tremendously. I'm almost at 1.5K subscribers right now. I think I'm at 1.2. So make sure y'all go subscribe to your boy for more videos. I got some crazy mods coming this upcoming week, so y'all don't want to miss that for sure. Some crazy mods. I already got one package. I ordered like 4 things and one already came in, the craziest one. So now I'm not gonna give too much hints, but we got some crazy coming for the this upcoming week or 2, maybe. Depends on when the other parts come in. I was surprised because the part that came in, it wasn't supposed to come in until like this week. Like they said Wednesday, I think. So it came in like 2 days early. So I was hyped for that. I was actually outside taking the wrap off the car, which I'm gonna show y'all the full, like, you know, product. And I saw the UPS guy pull up with my package. I was like, oh shit, damn. That shit came mad quick. So yeah, I'm about to do a little video on that too. Install probably. I'm not gonna install it. I'm gonna bring it to a shop because I'm not trying to fuck anything up. Anyways, enough yapping. I'm about to, you know. Damn, the view up here is mad nice. I wonder if I could pull over real quick and show y'all the view. I don't know whose driver this is, but fuck it. Oh, no parking anytime. Oh, there's some M's down there too. Hold on. I'll go see what's going on over here. I might take this. Let's go see. Oh, is that a G80? Low-key, this is fire. No parking? Yeah, all right. Right here. There's the M-ski. She looking clean. Looking good, looking good. Let me see how you look on the phone. Okay, okay. Nothing too crazy. She looking good. Now I'm saying some mods coming this week. Not gonna say too much. And maybe, just maybe, some other mods. You know what I'm saying? But here she is right now. I still got some wraps to take off. But she looking clean. Very, very nice. Coming along very, very nicely. Fuck with it. Yo, this little, let me put y'all on game right now. This polarizer right here, yo, this be getting all the IG reels so crisp. This be getting all the IG reels. It get all the glare out of the windshield. Whenever you're recording your car, it gets all the glare out. So all you gotta do is do a little twisty turny right here. Everything is all cleared up and nice. But man, don't forget to, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna link it in the description and I'm gonna put it up on the screen so y'all can follow that. Yeah. But this be getting me right here. I ain't gonna record too much. I got a lot of videos already for my reels. So, just gotta finish the YouTube video. But nah, let's hop back into this drive. Let's hop back into this drive. That's what I'm saying. Hope everybody having a great day. Amazing day today. Hop back in this drive. Let's see how we're looking. All right, we're sturdy. We're looking sturdy. Oh, this fucking mat keep going under the damn throttle. Okay. We're looking sturdy. Sturdy. Yo, them stock verbals be going crazy, bro. Like, I still can't imagine like these are actually stock verbals. Like, it's crazy. Bro, what's wrong with everybody on the wrong side of the road, bro? Come on. What's up with everybody on the wrong side of the road? Well, yeah, I took the wrap off. Oh, she got scared. I took the wrap off the car. And I'm saying, I didn't want to take it off, but it got damaged. And I didn't want to drive around with the wrap looking all match color. So I had to take it off. But I'm gonna keep it white for a little bit because I low-key like the white and it's clean. I'm gonna keep it on until like fall, I think, and then I'm gonna rewrap it. But I'm not sure. I have two colors in mind that I want to wrap it. Damn. But I need y'all help, man. Comment on my Instagram or like, hit me up on Instagram. Give me all ideas. See what color will look good on the M. I'm getting I have a bunch of people already, giving me ideas. But some more would be appreciated, of course. Bro, this thing sounds insane, bro. But the new mods that I'm gonna get installed on there, it's gonna sound even crazier. I can't wait, bro. I'm so hyped. Cannot wait. This build is coming along so nicely. I fuck with it so nicely. Just how I imagined it, like, pretty much exactly how I imagined it. Coming along very, very nicely. been my dream car for so long. And gotta dream big, man. Gotta dream big. Anything you put your mind to, you can achieve it for sure. It's still completely stock, other than like some exterior mods. It's still pretty much stock. But that ain't gonna be stock for too much longer. Ain't gonna be stock for too much longer. Which way should I go? Should I go left or right? Any, many, miny, more. I'ma go left. I don't give a fuck what the hell thinks. I bet skis. I'm going lefties. But this thing sounds insane. With them little stock burbles. F80. License plate. I low-key want to go to New York and drive around Times Square. Or like something. I feel like that would be a tough like little scenery type video. Come on, dude. What the fuck is he looking at, my nigga? Your goofy ass. The Alpine white be looking crazy in the sun. Oh, should have went that way. Fuck. Should have went the other way, man. Fuck it. What's you? Don't do this at home, kids. I'm a professional F1 driver. Somebody coming? We green. We green. Green giant. Boom. This thing pulls like crazy. I think I gotta get new rotors because whenever I'm in like, not in, but whenever I'm going like 40 miles per hour and I'm slowing down, the car like shakes. So I think, oh, why did I honk at him? My bad, twin. I ain't peeped that it was a left only. My bad. I'm probably like, what the fuck is this nigga honking at me for? type shit. Probably like, yo, why this nigga honking at me, yo? So dark, can't see shit. It's so dark, man. Turn on the light. Lord God, buddy, don't do that. Turn the light on, man. I cannot see nothing. What the fuck? What the fuck? Turn the light on, buddy. Buddy, turn the light on, buddy. What the fuck are you talking about? Don't fund the light. I'm definitely gonna need gas after this. I sure gonna need some gas. I sure. I got 59 miles left, bro. When I started, I had 100 miles, and now I have 59 miles. This shit eats gas like crazy. It's good, homie. What's good, homie? Where's this smoke? Smoke. See how it's like shaking? And it only happens at like 40 miles, 42, 45 miles per hour. That's the only time that shit happens, bro. M5? Homie was just chilling over there. Bro, I'm so excited to install a new mod, bro. Can't wait, bro. I'm about to cry, man. Yeah. I need the balance, bro. Nah, but I gotta be patient. Calm the fuck down and chill the fuck out before I slap the shit out you. All right. Calm the fuck down, all right? I'm just excited, man. Fuck. Relax. Relax, dude. It's just some mods, dude. Take it easy, man. Take it easy, man. It's just some mods. For some reason, my M2 button's not working, bro. I think I gotta fix my steering wheel. Like, ever since I installed the steering wheel, cruise control does work, but the lane departure don't work, and the blind spot warning does not work. See, that's why I don't install shit myself, because I always fuck shit up. I think I gotta let somebody else like reinstall it and fix that shit, because every time fuck. Alright, calm the fuck down. Bet. Bro, I never thought I would own this car this young, I'm not gonna lie. I'm only 23. But still, bro. I never thought I would own it like this young, though. I know I would get it eventually, but not this young. And that's so crazy to me. Like, when you just like put your mind to something and just work hard, bro, and just manifest, but like, I'm gonna get that shit, bro. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me, nigga. Nobody could stop me. Trail side. We're going. What that? I just wanna see the boys struggle with that phone bill and that light bill. Bro, I yap too much, bro. I be saying straight bullshit. Straight bullshit. I be saying straight bullshit. Straight badonkadurks. Slow the fuck down. That green yo. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Don't break your car. Papi chulo. It's not this turn that goes to Westfield. It's the next turn. So don't fuck my shit up every time I go to the wrong turn. Thank you very much. Woo. Oh my god. Slow the fuck down. Slow down, body. Holy burbles. And it's stock. Imagine when I get that exhaust, bro. It's gonna be crazy. It's going to be inside, mate. Fucking insane. These are some nice houses, bro. Another thing I'm manifesting, a nice house like this with a nice little like 3-car garage. I want to have a Lambo SVJ, R8 maybe, and what else? I don't know my third car yet. Still gotta manifest that. Still gotta manifest that one. It gonna happen though. I know for sure it's gonna happen. If y'all just like the video, it will happen. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm joking. I love y'all, man. I appreciate the love y'all be giving me. You ready? And I literally just started this shit. But what I'm saying, I've only been doing YouTube for like a year, maybe. I would say like 2 years. You know, pretty much consistently. Well, I'm trying to be consistent as possible. But I'm saying, but we're gonna get there. Just practice, you know, practice makes perfect. You know what I'm saying? Practice makes perfect. I'm following in the footsteps of not my idol, but you know, he inspired me a lot. Finding Nick. That man. If y'all don't know who that is, make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. I think my favorite car YouTuber. I want to drift this thing so bad, but I'm low-key kind of scared, bro. I'm pussy. I'm straight pussy. Ooh, this is my little spot right here. So I'm gonna get some crazy videos. Let me see. Park it right here. Boom, just like that. Turn this thing a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. A little blip, 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 blip. A little blip. A little blip. Damn. This shit look mucho bueno. Mucho bueno. I just wanna see that I can read up on Bill, and I ain't Bill. I'm telling you, man, this thing right here is a life changer. It makes the videos look so amazing, very nice, very clean and nice. There's a little too bright. Turn that down to like boom. Yeah, and then you go like that. Boom. See what I'm saying? Just like that. Boom. It's not that hard to get some little reels, you know what I'm saying? I love my interior so much, bro. Interior is kind of crazy. Can't see inside. I can't sit inside, I bet. Should I go in the grass? I don't know, bro. I don't know why this thing keeps going up. Stay fuck down. Don't move, nigga. I don't know what to do. Should I go in the grass? I don't know. Bro, I'm gonna manifest it from now, bro. I'm gonna have one of the cleanest F80 M3s in New Jersey. Watch. Mark my words, bro. It's gonna happen for sure. Just watch. I have one of the cleanest F80 M3s in New Jersey. So bright. Anyways, I still got a lot of stuff to do to this. For example, I gotta get some Icon headlights. I gotta get these Kidney Grills carbon fiber. I gotta get a carbon fiber front lip, a CS hood, new wheels probably, and just use these for like winter or like, you know, sport, you know. And I gotta get new, I hate how those look rusty. And then new wrap, of course. It's good, man. New side skirts, carbon fiber side skirts, new diffuser. I wanna get the wing, I forgot the name of it. It goes up a little bit more. It's like fire. It's a little bit bigger than this. And it goes like all the way up. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Not too crazy. But the interior is one of my favorite parts. Fuck with this interior so much. But yeah. When I get the Icons, bro, this shit gonna look so good, bro. Icons gonna make it just like Icons is gonna make it look chef kiss. Chef kiss. Yeah. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. As I said, stay tuned for the next upcoming vlogs that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna install some mods that I just got in. I'm still waiting for 2 more boxes or 3 more boxes. It's gonna completely change the look and the sound of this car, so stay tuned for that. I don't want to spoil too much, but just know that I'm really excited for these. Like, I've been waiting for not even too long, for like 2 weeks. I just ordered them and, you know, they're coming in one by one. I want to get everything and just do it at once. It's not like nothing crazy, but yeah, I don't want to install it myself because I be fucking shit up, you know what I'm saying? So when I get all those parts in, I'm gonna get them installed. Hopefully I could get a video out for that, but we're gonna see. I know I can, so I got bird shit on here. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Hit that like button. It helps me, you know, it helps YouTube push me out on the YouTube For You page, or whatever you call it, recommend. And, you know, subscribe, you know, when you subscribe to me, it helps me grow. I'm almost at 1.5K subscribers. So, you know, help your boy out, man. But yeah, that's gonna be for today's video. Drive safe. Peace.